Are you unable to register on NATS portal for apprenticeship? Don't worry. Here is the simple guide. Go to the website, select students, then general student and click on student registration. A table will appear showing the list of documents required. Keep all those documents ready. After that, the enroll student page will open. Enter your correct email ID and phone number there. Then enter the CAPTCHA and click on send OTP. After the OTP verification, the student register page will appear. Fill in all details correctly. At the bottom of the page, you will find the option to create password. Create it and click submit. Once you submit, you will receive an email containing an activation link. Click that link to activate your account. After activation, go back to the website and log in as a student. You will then see 5 steps that you need to complete. First, enter your basic details exactly as mentioned on your Aadhaar card. Second, fill your educational qualifications. Third, enter your contact information carefully. Fourth, training preferences. Select your preferred training locations. Fifth, bank details. Enter your bank details correctly. Make sure to double check. Step 2. Final profile submission. Scroll down, review all the information once and click on the submit button. Your basic profile is now successfully created. Step 3. Apply for apprenticeship. After logging in, scroll down to apply against advertised vacancies where you can apply for any available apprenticeship position or go to search tab for any apprenticeship you want to apply.